Hello, everyone. This is a continuation of our series on the employment-based immigration, first preference EB1. In previous videos, I've taken you through the workshop 1 overview of the EB1 petition, the workshop 1.1, which is on sustained national or international acclaim. We pitched on the background, and we also look at a case study of an approved petition. Now, in today's video, we are going to continue on all of this. If today is your first time, I would advise you go to the previous ones in order to have a background knowledge and help you towards your self-petitioning. Remember that this is all for an educational purpose only, and feel free to utilize what you find useful and make your judgments on all of that. Today, the topic is going to be based on one of the criteria that the USCIS officers consider. And, in the EB1A category, of course, there are three important things. Just to recall quickly, the first thing is sustained national or international acclaim, where you have to meet at least 3 out of 10 specific criteria, or you perhaps have a significant one-time achievement. We've also explained all of these in previous videos. The second thing is that you must show that you, this petitioner, will continue to work in the area of your expertise. And the third one, you have to also show that entry to the US or your presence in the US will substantially benefit the United States. Again, this is for the EB1A category. If you are considering the EB2 NIW, check Prof. Dan Tutorials playlist. We have a series of videos, about 17 different episodes that can help you in doing your self-petitioning for the EB2 NIW. For the EB1A, if you feel you qualify as an extraordinary applicant, then you can proceed accordingly. So today, I will touch on one of the criteria, and after that, we'll also look at a case study of an approved petition on how this person touched on this particular criteria. Now, take note that the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, evaluates if the professional association an individual is a member of have specific criteria for membership based on an outstanding achievement within the field. So this is beyond you saying, I am a member of this association, where you pay dues and maybe it's just based on the payment of dues that you become a member of the association. Or maybe it's just because you have a bachelor's degree in that field that qualifies you to becoming a member of that association. Why such could work in the case of EB2 NIW, for the EB1A, that's why it is extraordinary. It goes beyond that. So in this case, for a membership to be considered in support of an extraordinary ability claim, the association must be recognized within the field and have a rigorous selection process of you becoming a member. So put it this way, that membership should not be automatic or simply a matter of paying dues. Like I said earlier, it must require a demonstration of exceptional skills, achievements, or even recognition as evaluated by established experts in that field. So notable examples of such association might include, for example, the National Academy of Sciences. For you to become a member is based on distinguished and continued achievements in original research. We also have, for example, the American Medical Association, which has membership tiers that recognize different levels of achievement and contributions to the medical field. The Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences is another one, responsible for the Oscars, where membership is by invitation based on distinguished achievements in the film industry. Overall, what I want to say is that it depends on how you write your petition. Your membership might still be based on you paying dues. However, you probably have been given a responsibility, maybe a leadership position, that without you having certain expertise, you won't get to such position in that association. So depending on how you are able to write that, it could still meet this criteria. Overall, just be able to write a convincing and a compelling case that meets the criteria under being a member of an association. Having said that, we're going to quickly look into a case study of someone under these particular criteria. All right, so on the screen, we see the title of the criterion, which is membership in associations in the field for which classification is sought that require outstanding achievement of their members as judged by recognized national or international experts in their disciplines or fields. So for this person, again, this is someone's petition that was approved that I'm taking you through. I've de-identified some facts there anyway. But again, you just want to use this to get an insight into how you could possibly write yours. So this person says she is a professional member of the name of the association. You put it there. And there are about 8 different exhibits. Take note, your exhibits could involve maybe from the websites, bylaws, of the organization that shows how to become a member, or if you have a specific role, how to become a leader in that particular role or capacity. So let's see this. This person says is involvement with the name of the association reflects remarkable contributions and successes within the field. So you specify the field. She says she is honored to have a distinguished dual membership in both there's the name of the subdivision and another subdivision, where our involvement extends beyond mere participation. In these roles, this person says she has been given significant leadership responsibilities, serving as then the title, you specifically stating our roles, and the second title. This dual capacity is a pioneering achievement in the association, underscoring our unique stature within this professional body. Ascent to these prominent positions resulted from a rigorous selection process. So the first 2 or 3 sentences of this person is trying to say, I belong to this association, I hold this membership title, and this is what I am doing. Then towards the end of the sentence, the concluding remark for that paragraph, this person is letting us know that it was based on rigorous selection process, which acknowledges our extensive track record, substantial contributions, and unparalleled accomplishments in that field. Again, this is a claim that has been made. Your exhibit must back it up. If your exhibit don't back it up, then you're going to receive a request for evidence. So try to avoid such. So the second paragraph, as a leader within the subdivision is named, this person said she has led numerous key initiatives that highlight her dedication and influence in that field, such as, then she went on to describe all the various initiatives. And to go further, she said, and played a critical role in the peer review process for the name of the association again, annual conference. So, well, what this person is trying to do is to tell that, yes, she holds this membership and she's also contributing. And in the capacity at which she is contributing was based on a selection process that elevated her to that position. The second sentence in the second paragraph says, my election and subsequent appointment testify to my esteemed standing among my professional peers, recognizing my expertise and contributions. These positions are awarded based on a criterion of excellence by acknowledged experts in the field, meeting the USCIS requirements for outstanding achievements. Again, this is just straight to the point, but solidly backed by exhibits. So if you don't have an exhibit to back it up that shows the criteria of you being a member of an association based on your extraordinary achievements or certain criteria for selection to be part of the association, if you don't have such exhibit, then you might consider not writing about this particular criterion. You might consider others. After all, you have at least 3 out of 10. So if you don't have more robust exhibits that is convincing for a particular one, consider putting your energy on another of the criteria. In addition, this person says, my role as another title with the another association, the time is specified, and my election to the, this is another title, committee board from specify the date, further attest to my leadership and significant impact within the professional community and this person's field. So what this person is trying to say is that aside the earlier ones that she said she belongs to this association, there are other ones. So if you belong to 2, 3, 4 different associations, in as much as your being part of the association is based on evident criteria or requirements, then you can include them in this section. And lastly, the last sentence, this person says, my engagement and leadership within these capacities have propelled the goals of the association forward and made substantial contributions to the field. Well, lesson to learn from this is that this is a very easy sample. In fact, it's just 1 page for this particular criterion, right? But the main thing is straight to the point and backed up with exhibits. Backed up with exhibit. That is so important. And that is it for this particular criteria. If you are a member, a professional member of a particular association, and not just being a member, but you could convince that you being a member was based on competitive criteria for the selection process, that you must show that you are an expert in that field, then why not? You can include it. It's as easy and simple as that. And overall, that's it for this video. I will see you all again in another video series, which we're gonna explore more in depth about this EB1A. Overall, just take the one that you can take, utilize it, let it give you an insight into how you can, self-petition and do it by yourself. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Share, like, and make comments. And that will be it for today. See you again in another video. Bye-bye.